Oh fuck, gotta start it quick. Oh boy. Scott Shelby here. Oh, I'm at the door. Could you let me in?
Good evening to you, sir.
Let me in. Let me lay it all out for
Can
you,
I
buddy.
help you, sir?
I know you
Well, I
did
hope
it.
So, my name's Scott Shelby. I'm a private detective. I'm investigating the case of the origami killer.
You're going to jail for a long time.
I'd like to ask you a few questions.
My son is dead, Mr. Shelby.
And I know you killed him. Scott
I have
Shelby.
nothing more to say.
Goodbye.
Play my card, in case you change your mind.
Don't bother, Mr. Shelby. There really is no point.
Okay. Sounds good.
Oh, do you sell inhalers? I'm all out, and at least I won't go away completely empty-handed.
In the back of the store, to the right.
Thanks.
All right. Talk to you later.
Pity he didn't want to talk. Might have known something.
Should probably beat it out of him.
Goddamn asthma. Can't breathe when it rains.
Nice.
Good evening, sir. Are you looking for something in particular?
Sure hope he doesn't. Oh no!
Don't fucking try anything.
Wow, he did not do a good job of surveying the fucking
Open the
store.
register, you dumb fuck. Put the money on the counter. Shit, are you
Okay,
deaf or
I'm
what?
pretty sure this is where he can
Are you
die.
gonna open that fucking register or not?
My
Gun.
gun. Oh, left in the car. Gotta think of something else.
I'll have to just creep up behind him and kick his ass.
cannot
What if
have
I do
If I
nothing?
could sneak up behind him without making any noise.
You're out of
Be
here,
as
fucking.
quiet as possible.
Oh fuck! I was supposed to do that slow.
Come here.
I forgot how this game
I
works.
said, come here now.
Easy there.
Don't
Easy there, son.
Hands up. Put your fucking hands up or I'll shoot.
What if I just drop it here? Do I get killed?
My name's Scott. What about you? What's your name?
Andrew. My name's Andrew.
Why would you ever?
Look, it's not worth it.
I'm gonna take a step closer to you,
Put the
buddy.
gun down and just walk away.
You giving me advice? I'll give you some fucking advice.
Do you have anyone you care for in your life? A girlfriend, maybe? A family?
Yeah. A little girl.
Why would you? Why would you ever tell anybody anything
name's
like this when you're robbing somebody?
What would Jessica think if she saw you here? Ask yourself.
I don't
What
think she
happen
would
to her if
like
things
it.
go wrong? You haven't done anything serious yet. If you put the gun away, we'll forget about what just happened, and that will be the end. Just walk away.
Nothing serious. Shit, man. What the fuck do you think I'm doing here?
Oh
I
fuck!
think you're
Oh, not the one I meant to press.
your life.
Oh no!
Pull that trigger. I promise you. You'll regret
I
it.
did not want that to happen.
I think you're the one who's really gonna regret it.
Drop the
Now, I
gun.
want you to put the gun back in your pocket and quietly walk out of the store. My friend and I will forget about what just happened, and you'll have earned a second chance not to fuck up your life.
Yeah, life.
What do you say?
Sure. He's gonna get. I'm gonna kill him.
Nice try. For a second there, you almost had me believing all your shit.
Do I just run at him? Okay. Why would you? What? I was just able to walk at him like the fucking Terminator. Okay, give me the fucking gun. Oh fuck. Oh my god. Am I dead? I'm dead. I'm actually dead. I'm actually fucking dead. Is he gonna just shoot him too? Nope, he's just gonna leave.
Don't move, sir.
What?
I'll call for an ambulance.
Why? That was the
No,
world's
alright.
worst. I'll be
Bullet
alright.
just grazed my shoulder. Goddamn punk kid. Doesn't even know how to use a gun.
He's a bitch.
Thank you for helping me. I don't know what would have happened without you.
That's
When my boy
That's the
Razor
stupidest shit ever.
disappeared, I received a letter with a locker ticket inside. Inside the locker, I found this box. I do not understand what it means, but I think it must be a sort of message from the man who took my son from me.
Can I?
Right. Oh, no. I better not. No, I better not. Staring at me. Wait, the prompt left. Okay, I thought that was it.
Please, take the box if it can be of any use to you at all.
Thank
Not
you for getting
helping
shot.
to save Reza, but maybe it will help you find the other little boy.
Well, I'm glad you keep that on your person at all times.
Mr. Shelby, I was beginning to think that there was no good to be found in this place.
What the fuck, bitch?
I can see now that
What
it was
what part of this segment made sense? That guy just shoots me and then leaves? And then this guy is like, I will not help you. However, after seeing you be shot, here, I keep this box on my person at all times. Ooh, is this the first segment with her? It is, isn't it? Which means it's about to get physical. This is like my ideal apartment. Like right now, oh my god, I would fucking love to live in a place like that. Like one big ass little room thing. Well, big ass little room. Big ass room. This is such a fucking neat little layout. I love it. Then the shower too, it's like weirdly huge. Like weirdly huge and industrial. No, it's literally like, if I'm remembering it correctly, it's literally like a fucking locker room shower. It's that stupidly big. Which is why, holy shit, so many options. Which is why this place just never makes any realistic sense. Is this something a journalist would afford? Is this in New York? I can't even fucking 3. I don't know how to read clocks anymore. Wow, have you guys seen the movie Alien? We like the movie Alien.
2:47 a.m. Always the same time.
I can sit down over here with my fat ass. Nice. I love sitting down.
If I try to stay busy, it might actually help me get to sleep.
Fuck. What the fuck are you doing? I probably actually shouldn't take a shower, because if I get, you know, her all naked and shit, then I'm probably gonna get like a YouTube violation or whatever. But I also want to see that, what if I just go into the shower? I want to see, I swear to God, I just want to see if it's like how I remember it. Deal.
Shouldn't take those damn pills again.
No. But what if? What if? Is this? That might just be to the outside.
A hot shower. That'll create the magic of sleep.
So many options. Holy shit. I don't even know where this fucking shower is. Oh my god, this camera. Where is the fucking shower? God, look at how fucking cool this apartment is. Is this it? Could you be the shower? You are the shower. Look at how stupid this is. Oh my god, this is so stupid. This is even stupider than I remember. Look at this sink. And then she's literally got like a miniature locker. Okay, I'm not gonna take the shower because then she'll make my YouTube thing get in trouble. Wait, actually, can I just shower with clothes on? Like a bad bitch? Oh no, have I locked myself? I've locked myself into this, haven't I? Oh no, I haven't. What do we have here? Oh, here's the pills she said she wasn't gonna take. She's taken them. That's good. Okay. What about a
A
hot
hot
drink?
drink is what I need.
Can I shower with the lights off? Hey girl, wanna shower with the lights off? Uh-oh. Where was that from? Here? Guess so. Oh, that fucking scared the fuck. I thought that was like a cutscene angle. Alright, let's get a hot drink from this cool fridge. Can you what do you what open? Hamburger. Okay, I guess not. Oh, here. This looks like a hot drink type deal. Right? Yeah, throw that tea in the microwave. But, God, these fucking controls, man. Alright, well, so much for whatever that was gonna be. What? Delicious. I sure hope nobody attacks me in this apartment. Wow, fucking chug a lug there, huh? No, don't. How does that even make sense? These fucking controls, man. Oh my god. Was this easier on a controller, or is it just as awful? That's it. That's just to get up. No, I don't. God. I'll have to bed, I guess. Hey, look, Walter White. What are you doing here? Yes, go to sleep. Don't get under the covers for some reason. I'm sure it was nothing. God, that's straight up that one photo of Walter White, isn't it? Okay. What do I have? A cat with like a bell on? What the fuck was that? Noise?
I swear I heard something. Good job, Madison. I think you're starting to lose it.
Is she like one of those? Ugh. There's that same photo of Walter White. Why is it over here too? Oh my god, can you attack me or not, bro? Fuck off. Fuck off. Fuck off. Something bad's about to happen. No? No, it is. I swear to god it is. It's going to. Okay, fucking sure.
I swear that shadow just moved. It's freaking me out. Girl, get a grip. The door's locked tight, and you're home alone.
Ooh. Spooky.
I swear that shadow just moved.
Okay.
It's freaking me out. Girl, get a grip. The door's locked tight, and you're home
Whatever.
alone.
Where do you want to go, game?
Goddamn insomnia. I'm totally exhausted, but I just can't sleep.
Okay, are you gonna? Nope, you're gonna turn around. Up. They opened the fridge. Okay, the criminals in this game are the stupidest motherfuckers ever. Yes, let me just open the fridge. For absolutely no reason. Okay, shaky, shaky. Sure hope nobody attacks me. Zoom. Okay.
There's someone here. There's someone in the apartment. The phone on the desk. I could call for help. The front door. It's the only way out. If I can reach it, I still have a chance.
Okay. Off to the front door we go. Why would you do that? Why would you ever do it like... Oh, fuck off. I fucking hate these. What do I... Okay, I did it right. I have to keep fucking doing it. That's why I shot Scott. Scott got shot. Shot got Scott. Scott the Waz. There's two of them. Bitch. Flocka. Okay. Oh, that's a knife. Who's your friend? Oh, fuck. Oh, what was that? Oh, he hates it. Oh, fucking WWE. Bitch. 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 There's 3 of them. Oh my god. You guys are pathetic. Fuck you. Uh-oh. This way. Or fucking not. Up. What? Did you try and bite his ear? God, you guys suck. There's 2 of you. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Oh my god, you guys are off. Where did the other 2 even go? Quick, to the TV. The news will tell me what to do. What was... Did I do that right? Oh my god, you guys are off. Oh, fuck. Oh, oh my god. Okay, she's dead. Okay. Well, it was nice knowing you, Madison. Never mind. 2 knives. See you later. Oh my god, you guys are just... Yep, well, I fucked that one up. Is this it? Yep. See ya. Was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine. Salt and pepper and heavy D up in the limousine. Amazing. Is that it? That's it. Good introduction, I guess. God, I'm so sad about my kid or my other kid or my wife or my life. My meal. My meal. How do you feel knowing your kid is dead? Oh, pretty bad. You're a piece of shit. Okay. I know. Not the life you had imagined, huh? It's not the life I had imagined either.
This doesn't make any sense. It couldn't have been me. I couldn't ever have done that.
I haven't played this in 2 weeks, by the way, so I kind of forgot what happened.
When the parents came home from church, all their children were gone. They searched and called for them. They cried and begged, but it was all to no avail. The children have never been seen again.
They're dead. Okay. A rabbit.
I have to get out of here and find out what this ticket... It looks like the ticket to a locker.
Okay.
That letter might be linked to Sean's disappearance. I need to show it to the police.
7:30. Sure hope that's not important. Can I play some basketball? That always calms me down. Oh my god, these fucking controls.
Someone sent me that letter for a reason.
For a reason.
Goddamn reporters. They've been camped outside my house all day.
Alright, calm down, Kanye.
This angel on the ticket. I'm sure I've seen it somewhere before. I'm the origami killer.
Right.
Watch out. And then the
Talk to them.
murdering starts.
Can you move correctly,
I
though?
know it's me.
Where the What do I do? Hey, fellas.
Mr. Mars,
Mr. Mars.
Did your son disappear? Mr. Mars, can you confirm that your son has disappeared? Your son is still alive?
Later, Gator. Wow, it's just like my dream. Wow, it's just like my panic attacks. Is he me? Is this me? Ew. Chill out, bro.
Gonna have to make it through the crowd. I can't take. I'm just not gonna make it. I'm tightening up. I can't go on.
Okay. And yet we continue to go. Locker or lockers? Which one should I do? I'll go
No time to
locker.
waste. I need to
Wow,
find
you
out what's
are
in that
really
locker.
not
I
moving.
can't make it. Too many people. Too
Like,
many people.
not even in a way that's normal. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, up. I'm dead. We die. We just die here. We just, just die here. Was that Walter White there for a second? He's going Super Saiyan mode. Super Ultra Instinct mode. Incredible. Amazing. What if it's like that improv company? They're dead.
Dad.
Oh, gross.
Dad.
God, I hate kids. Especially French ones. They're speaking English.
Dad, where are you?
Jason! Fuck all these people. Hey, bro, fuck this deer.
Jason! Jason, come back! Jason! Jason, Dad's here, son! You got-
Wait, say
Jason.
say it more.
It's Jason.
Jason! Jason!
Where am I even going now? I lost the fucking balloon.
The balloon. Gotta get.
Jit!
Jason!
Jit! I really don't know where to go. I will kill all these people if I have to. Alright, I can't turn the camera. I actually don't know where to go.
Dad.
Jason!
Jason! No, really, where do I fucking go? I lost this stupid balloon.
Jason!
The balloon.
Dad.
Oh, apparently not this way.
Jason!
Alright, show me the way. Oh, fuck off. Chill out. Chill out. Chill! Okay. Am I just here now? Le guide